That sound again. Where is it coming from? Someone or something is behind that wall. What is this? No way. I should tell someone. Maybe just one quick look.
How to animate your AI images from scratch, not Grok AI, okay? So if you're a total beginner, you do not know how to start with YouTube automation, this video is created mainly for you because I'm going to walk you through the process step by step, okay? So welcome here if you're new here. My name is Shika Adibaya. On this YouTube channel, I create content that shows you how to create AI videos like this and so many other opportunities of making money online. And if you want more of this content, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel.
No way.
Like my video, drop comments for me.
I should tell someone.
I'm going to come right there to give you a welcome up.
Maybe just one quick look.
Video proper.
So I want to imagine you're a complete beginner. What you have to do is to go ahead and download ChatGPT app. If you don't have it, go ahead and download it, sign up, and you're going to have access to this kind of interface. So you are going to start chatting. With this, I just explained to myself, but I want you to take note of one thing I said. You act as a content strategist with years of experience, so that ChatGPT is going to give you the best. So here are the kind of storyline we have. The poor girl who shared her last meal. A hungry girl gave away her last plate of food to a stranger. So here is the story. Here is another one. The boy who found a secret door in his school. Wow, I would love to know that. So guys, I believe this one is going to eat so well. The boy who found a secret door. So let's just copy it and paste here. We're going to tell ChatGPT we need more. Give me more details on the story. I need it to be in just 10 minutes. Okay, so you can decide to make it 10 minutes, you can decide to make it 5 minutes, whichever way is convenient for you. Okay, please make sure you do not skip any part of this video because it's very important to watch the video from the beginning to the end. So we send this now and expect Shati to give us the complete lines of the story. So here is it. Okay, can you see this? So now, because we want to create dialogue video, we love them talking, conversing, talking to one another, we're just going to tell Shati straight up, this is good, but you can take your time and walk through the storyline. Okay, so this is good, please turn this into dialogue. Okay, so it's going to you see that the narrator Nathan. So instead of us just checking out who are the characters here, you can just say or is a must we even do that. So we're just going to come to this microphone, just send that before talking. So this is going to help us to know how many characters are in this storyline. So can you see we just have three main characters apart from our narrator. Okay, so this is the description we are working with. Okay, so yeah, I love this style, pixel quality realism. Guys, there are different styles of images you can use. Okay, when creating your videos, it can be hyper realistic, like looking like real human being. It can be pixel, it can be 3D cartoon, it can be anything. So if you need more tutorial about that, please let me know in the comments so I can create a video around it and show you exactly different kind of styles and how to get best styles. So this is Nathan, this is Mr. Johnson, this is Professor Edward, this is Mother Nathan's mom, so that's optional. So what we're going to do now is to go ahead and start with the generation. This one says important style lock. Okay, this is the prompt for the school environment. Yes, because we want everything so detailed. I love how Shati is just going about making this very, very detailed. So we can now go ahead now and generate our images. So we're going to do this just to copy. Okay, download this app, it's called Meta. Yeah, I love the app so much. I'm just going to paste this and I'm going to send in. Okay, so we're going to wait for the image to be generated. So while we're waiting, we're just going to go back to copy the next prompt for another image so that we don't just wait here. Okay, so this is the description of Mr. Johnson. We can just paste it right away while we're already seeing our first character loading. Can you see how beautiful and Nathan look? So this is another prompt. I copy that and paste. Do not forget, we have not copied, we have not downloaded our images. We're still going to download our images. Okay, so I'll just paste in all those source, all those prompts, so that we can just have them on rows. Okay, so yeah, let's allow that to load a while we're able to send. Now what we're going to do now is to go ahead and look at the image of the character. Okay, we're going to decide which one we're going to work with. So you can decide to choose for me, and let me know which one you're going to choose in the comment, because Meta AI allows you to download to have access to like 4 images. Okay, let's send that now. That one is done. So here is the first one, the second, the third, and the fourth. They all look so cute, but I think this number 1 did for me. I love this number 3 too, but the head is too big, but I love this. Okay, so once you're fine with it, just click here and save. So once you're done saving, go back so you can save for another one. So this is Mr. Okay, so okay, once it's saved, we just go back, then we pick another character. You're just going to click this record here, just because we're trying to make sure that we are working hand in hand. We're not just sleeping on a particular place. We're making sure we're following everything as it is. Okay, so now this is, it says I'm writing a YouTube video, so this is like a reminder. Now it says character, we have the character, then scene 1. Okay, it still reminded us of the characters. I love that. Okay, then it says, then ChatGPT will generate something like this. Wow. Image prompt. Now this is the image prompt. Now this is the video prompt. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to copy. Now let's just go to our Chrome browser, go visit your Chrome browser and type in Flow AI. Okay, so once you type in Flow AI, the very first one here is the one you're going to be, so you're going to sign up with them. If here is the interface you're going to see, so you're going to come right to this end. Let me zoom it in, and you see this end, just click on new project. So right here at this bum is what we're working on. Click this side, then turn it to video, so you can choose the aspect ratio. But based on those images we have created, I think it's 9:16 we're going to be working with. Okay, so you see we don't need any coin to generate images here. So we want to generate our scene images, okay, which is very important. Now this is our prompt. Okay, now copy and paste the prompt. Just click on this plus sign, click here on this upload image. What we're about to do now is to bring in the image of Nathan, because Nathan is being mentioned here. So once that is loaded, you're just going to click on add to prompt. The meaning of this is to make sure that Flow AI remember this image, and we're talking about the image. Just click on send. So you're just telling Flow AI that this is the image we're working with. Please make sure the image is consistent in the scene. So while we're waiting, we have scene 2. Okay, just copy for scene 2. Okay, and come back here, click on paste. It's also Nathan in the storyline, then click on plus, so we can add Nathan into prompt. Add Nathan to prompt, then send. Okay, can you see this image? This is what we're able to generate just now. So just hold on and download. Can you see the beautiful, can you see the way Nathan is being consistent, guys? Can you see the consistency? So this is exactly how you're going to do every of your images from beginning to the end. Can you see this one too? Just hold on to your screen and download. Right, so for the next one, okay, for the next one, just copy your image prompt. Okay, then this is for the secret symbol. Come back here. It's also Nathan in the storyline. You know why I'm making sure that I know the character in the image is because I want to be sure, so I can add in what I need to add in. I mean the images of the character. Okay, so when we are going to add Mr. Johnson, I want to make sure I am aware that Mr. Johnson is in the storyline. I hope you understand me. Okay, so just copy this one also, come back here and paste. Nathan also is the one in the same scene in this part. Adding to prompt and click on send. So we're waiting for this one to be done. Wow, okay, I love that. So you see that, so we have scene 5 there. Okay, so my people, the next thing for us to do is to now start creating our videos. Now we already have scene 1 video prompt. This is the video prompt, and if you notice here, we also have the dialogue. That's what Nathan is to say in this particular scene. And the next one is the camera. Even the sound, guys, like it was so detailed. And this is because I already trained AI. Apart from what I sent or talked about when we're chatting, based on what I said, you can screenshot. I think because I already trained my ChatGPT for a while, so you already recognize I'm somebody that loves to add camera, sound. I love to add emotions, all these stuffs into my video to make it makes more sense. So I already explained this detailed, how you can also do your own ChatGPT and train it to also do this for you. I already explained it in one of my videos, how to create prompts for your AI videos. Okay, so you need that video if you're an AI creator. So let's just go ahead and copy. So the name of the site we're going to be using to animate our images to start talking or to start moving is the app I called Arena. Okay, so we're not using Grok, we're not using all this other stuff that tell you to subscribe or something. So just go to your Chrome browser and type out arena.ai, just the way you're seeing it on my screen right now. So it's just going to have this kind of interface. Do well to sign up. If you don't sign up, you'll not be able to access it. I'm not sure I've signed up, so let's see. So once you sign up, you just have to click on, I already pasted, so I click on this part. This is video. Okay, that one is video, so you're just going to click on this part so you can bring in your image. Okay, this app have assistants A and B, so meaning you can choose your choice anytime you have your video already generated.
That sound again. Where is it coming from?
Good.
That sound again? Where is it coming from?
For real, I really love the emotion of an assistant B, but the only issue I have with that is because the AI is meant to make mistakes. Sorry. So here is the download button. You just click there to download. So this is the scene 2. Okay, you're going to bring in the next prompt and the image, then paste.
Someone or something is behind that wall.
Let's see the second one.
Someone or something is behind that wall.
So I prefer the second one very well. We're just going to download it. Okay, so this is the next scene. I already go back to my ChatGPT here and I copied the video prompt for the scene 3 from ear to ear. Okay, I copied, then I come here, then I choose my image, then I send to prompt. Okay, so we're going to wait for it to generate. Okay, so our video is ready now. Let's check together. This is for assistant A.
What is this?
Okay, so let's check for assistant B.
What is this?
Okay, I think I like this one because it shows a bit detail of how that place was
What is
able
this?
to open. But this hand that is showing, I don't understand. But let's just so let's just feel like it's part of the contest. So we can just download this one. I think B is better. Let's download B because anybody that see that will be like, oh wow, you get. So we're going to go ahead and do the next one as well. Okay, now so this is for scene 4. You just copy it as well. Bring in the image, then send.
No way. I should tell someone. Maybe just one quick look.
The next thing, you go ahead and copy and paste here. So while we're waiting for that, you can just go to CapCut to start editing our videos because we're going to put all of them together to form just one video. Click on new project. So you're just going to call this site, then delete this logo. That's how you're going to be bringing them in one by one. So when you're done with all the videos, you're just going to click on exports right here. But before you click on export, make sure you turn this into 108 OP and 30. This settings is what is proper for your video so that you can have high resolution. So you're going to click on export to export the video. It's going to export and save directly into your mobile phone. So with that, you have a full video. Okay, so all you need to do is to just go ahead to your CapCut. If you're not done with your scene, just go ahead to your CapCut, keep copying the prompt and pasting into your Arena AI to get your videos done. So We have fully come to the end of the video. In case you have any question, on how you can edit better on CapCut, let me know. If you have any question, let me know in the comments as well. I'm going to answer your question. Okay, so I've created videos in the past on how to go about prompting, how to create prompts that create viral videos. Okay, so go ahead and watch the video, because if you notice what we're doing here, you notice the kind of story now, it's being told better, in a better way, like the way the visuals come out. It's giving classic videos, a video that is intriguing enough that anybody will stay to watch. So that's exactly what I expressed in that video. And if you need another tutorial on how you can use more sites that is not also Grok AI, I have some videos on my channel for that. Go ahead and watch them. If you watched to this part, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like my video, drop comment for me.
And if you'd like to join our community on WhatsApp where we share Mind Together and Love Mind Together, do well to go through the link in the description box of this video and join us ASAP. I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.